Good evening and a warm welcome to all our participants. I'm Scornida Sangeeta Thakur and I'm your host this evening. Principium Advisory is a company dedicated to helping students and young as well as experienced professionals to shape their careers. The topic of today's webinar is From the War Room to Boardroom, a veteran's journey. This webinar has been organized for the benefit of those service persons who are planning their retirement from the forces and are considering a second career in the corporate sector. Most of our attendees today are experienced professionals from the three services. Let us now begin the interactive session that will be moderated by our colleague, Mr. Puneet Mathur. Over to you, Mr. Puneet.
Thank you, Sangeeta, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Puneet Mathur. I'm part of the Principium team. It gives me great pleasure to introduce to you our guest speaker, Squadron Leader Dimple Rawat. Squadron Leader Rawat is an HR professional with 22 years of experience in diverse experience in the services and in the corporate sector. She served in the Indian Air Force for 11 years as a short service commission officer. Dimple began her journey in the corporate sector with a company called Vanderland Industries, where she headed the HR function. And for the past 10 years, Dimple has been associated with Barco Electronic Systems Private Limited and working as Associate General Manager HR. A very warm welcome to you, Squadron Leader Dimple Rawat, on behalf of Principium and all the participants gathered on this webinar this evening. So you spent a considerable amount of time in the Air Force. What do you think, what aspects of your background, the background in your Air Force enabled you to perform in the corporate sector, so what was it that was part of your grooming in the Air Force that really helped you perform in a private sector company? And also the reverse side, what was it about your grooming in the Air Force that proved to be a bit of a handicap?
Okay, so I think first of all, talking about the enablers, when I was in IIM Calcutta, I asked a question to Professor Praful. He was marketing professor for marketing. So I asked him a question that what I need to change to be successful in corporate world. So he answered me, nothing. You have to only change the weapon. So today you are working with missiles, but as you enter the corporate world, the weapons will be different. The weapons will be, power of human connection, what we already have, our leadership, our team spirit.
Right.
So I think that was my first, the strong values and, foundations of Defense Forces, Air Force has really helped me. It was an enabler for me, I would say. Second thing, we have been taught in Air Force that people leadership is always above position leadership, because many people feel that if you have ranks on your shoulder, you become, because you have the position leadership become important, but that's not true. So all the Defense Force people, officer, you will find that they all have strong people management skills.
Right.
And we strongly believe in team. We don't believe that I can do everything alone. No, it's always we talk about always togetherness. So these were the two things. And apart from that, what I feel, because of my background, engineering background, it actually helped me to have this transition smoothen. Because when I left Air Force that time, the automation or the ERP systems were just coming up.
Right.
Now it is a paradigm shift again. But then when I joined Vanderlande as HR head, it's a Dutch company. So
Right.
They were already working on SAP, SuccessFactors, Taleo. So these things, they were all new to me. Excel sheet was new to me. But then I quickly picked them up, and that was really a boon for me, I think, having my engineering background. Now coming to disabler, I don't think much of disenablers were there, but still I think you need to be hands-on. So because when we are in Defense Forces, we have a big team, and there are occasions when you have to just dictate to your team members, and somebody will go and type the letter and bring it to you for your signature. But this doesn't, the corporate world doesn't work like this. You need to be hands-on. You need to do everything on your own. So that was one lesson for me, that I need to do everything on my own, and I picked up very fast. So
Right.
all the military, all the corporate jargons I picked up, and I started doing everything on my own.
Right.